All right, you guys, welcome back, man. I'm so glad y'all here, man. Even when I be seeing like, one person come watch the video, I'll be like, man, at least I'm affecting or impacting one person's life, right? And or this one person is ready to change their life, right? So guys, I really appreciate it, man. So you already know what to do, man. If you're new here, man, go ahead and like, share, subscribe because I'm going to be dropping Forex beginner guide knowledge for you guys, man, every single day or every other day, maybe, 2 or 3 times a week after I get push out a lot of these videos. But at this point right now, guys, I'm here for you, right? So yeah, right now I'm going to teach you the importance of market structure and closing of candle, right? So I'm gonna give you 2 videos in one, guys, this time. And then like I said, I hope this help you guys out. I hope it can help your trading out tremendously. And yeah, we about to hop right into the video, man. I am not by any means a financial advisor. I know that takes like several years, guys, but I do want to look off into that. So that is what I'm studying now and trying to figure out now, guys. But I'm just here to mentor you guys, help you guys shorten your learning curve. And you don't want to go down up and through there just to learn how to trade. You want to actually understand it and then go down up and through there with demoing and you know what I'm saying, things like that. And then guess what? All the financial problems or all the financial things that you think like, oh, I need this much money or I need this amount of money can come to you guys. You can come to you and you guys can be able to get the same amount of money everybody else is just off the skill set, guys. So anyways, man, we're gonna share the screen, man. I ain't gonna bore y'all with all the talking, man. But anyways, man, so we had fun on the other videos. On the last video, I believe we did we just were showing you guys the highs and then higher low, right? Confirming higher lows, higher highs, and things of that nature, right? We were showing you guys step by step. Right now, I just want to show you guys the importance in market structure, guys. So no matter what's going on, no matter what is going on, you guys don't forget about structure of the market, right? So it's the 4-hour candle, pretty much. And yeah, I just want to pretty much show you guys market structure. And then what else I said the video was going to be about market structure and the importance of closing, opening and closing of a candle, guys. So we all know, market structure can consist of different things, many things, right? Range of market, trending market, non-trending market, right? Things of that nature, right? But in this structure, I want you guys to understand, okay, reversal moments, and then I want you guys to understand continuation moments. Like I said, you can go in full depth and full deep mentor with me one-on-ones, and you can get full access to me. It's not like I'm way up here and I'm, won't be able to give you guys the attention that you guys need. I won't be able to be there. I can actually be there, guys, and actually help you guys. And like I said, you guys can actually learn how to fish with me, guys. I'm not going to get it to where you guys need me. I got to call hella signals for you, getting you hyping like, oh, I'm going to be calling the best signals because you know what? And signal calling, guys, what may work for me may not work for you guys. So it's not always about copying the trade. And of course, anytime I give out a signal, I want to give you guys good signals, like signals that's going to be like good, like really good, instead of giving you a signal right up in here where you're not going to get no more than 10 pips, 7 pips, right, in this consolidation area. So a lot of you guys be like, oh, you sign up for these signal groups and they're going to give you all these signals. But at the end of the day, we only give you what the market gives us, guys. All right. So we're gonna follow structure, man. So we about to go into it. We're about to dive right into it, man. So you see all these higher lows, higher highs. This is just on a 4-hour, right? Even if you want to get your bias off the 4-hour, you can, right? Because at the end of the day, that's where I get my whole entire bias from, right? Because I check everything else, my monthly, my weekly, my daily, and everything else, but I try to solely base my trades off the 4-hour. But I do want to scale down to the 15 minutes so that I can see what is actually going on, guys. So like I said, you can fill these areas out as you please. But me personally, I like to go into the 15 minute. But we know exhaustion. I already taught you guys that on here. And then we know trends, right? We know, so this is a high, lower high, another confirmed lower high, another confirmed lower high. What happened when you see a lot of lower highs and lower lows? Downtrend, and we get to push to the downside. Now, these levels right here that I got marked off is potential take profit areas, right? So we got this main level, which is the 84,000 level. Then we had this level right here for take profit, which we had problems at right here because we had problems in the past, and we almost reached our third take profit right here. It didn't quite get there, but you get the point and you get the gist of it all, right? So now, me personally, once I got my bias here, I see a high right here, a lower high right here, confirmed. I'm dropping, scaling down, guys. So I'm dropping down to the 15, and then I'm going to see what is going on. So now I come here, I look here, I see this high. First off, I see my highest point for the week or for the day, right? And then I see another confirmed lower high. Then I see another confirmed lower high. So now my mind mentally for the week is like, okay, we're about to go for a sale, right? We're finna go for a sale because I'm following structure. Now, once I get to my structure and me following my lower highs, right? And I'm like, okay, this is resistance now. Now we kicking in and we understand everything that I taught you guys on the channel for the free ball, right? The mentorship and the methodology and the mental and the psychology of that part is where you can shorten your curve, right? Because all of this knowledge is on the internet for free, guys. But what I did is index it for you guys. So you guys can come right back to this channel and come back and see, okay, wait, what was lower highs? What was lower high? How do I find a trend? Wait, what's support and resistance? Wait, what's supply and demand? I did that for you guys. I indexed it for you guys for free so that you guys can come back on here and utilize this information to be able to update your trading game daily, guys. People have been trading for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, guys. Guess what? That's just like ancient history, guys. And I'm not trying to be bold or that's no downfall to them, but that stuff is outdated, guys. The market is changing. We are evolving every day, guys. It's new people that's in the market. It's new people like us. It's new people like them. It's new people like whatever, right? That's in the market that know how to trade, guys. Don't think that just because a person is not flashy or don't have materialistic things that they're not knowledgeable, or don't think because they wasn't in the game 10 years ago, 7 years ago, 5 years ago, that they're not knowledgeable, guys, because most of that information is very, very much outdated, guys, where you're getting consistently new videos that I'm posting on the daily with new information that's valuable as well for right now in 2021, guys. I'm not gonna go mark up my charts from 2017, so I don't care that you've been trading since 2017. And that's just being reality, guys. And also, Forex is what works for you, guys. So you got to understand that. And this works for your schedule, how your schedule works, guys. It's not how everybody else's schedule works. So if I call a signal at 3 o'clock, at 1 o'clock in the morning, 7 a.m., 7 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night, what if you're at work? What if my time zone doesn't match up with yours? I'm in Texas. You could be on the East Coast. You could be on the West Coast. I don't know, right? So by us knowing that, we already aware that Forex is what works for you, guys. So but like I said, this is the importance of structure. We only worrying about the importance of structure right now, guys. And so that's what we're finna we finna go off of, right? Pure structure. So once we get to these structure areas, guys, this is when we look for the candles to tell us a story, guys. So when I say the importance of the candle, it's because it's telling us what our next move should be. So now we scale down. We had this line from the 4 hour, right? So not only did we get one tap on there, we got 2 taps on there, right? And then we got a failure to make a new high or a higher high. And what did price do? Push all the way down, right? Now, what is our, okay, if I take this trade, what is my exit strategy, right? You have to have an exit strategy, right? So now we know that we at this key level and it could be a reversal level. We have to see what the story is telling us, the importance of the story. So not only did we see a tombstone, right? Not only did we see a tombstone here, but we seen price close under this resistance, guys. So once we seen price close under this resistance, it would have been a highly chance for us to take and this is like FOMO, fear of missing out, and missing out on trades, because guys, you don't understand that we're under the 200 EMA, right? So we could put our stop right back but above the EMA, right? To where we only not even, let's see how many pips that would have been to lose, right? So 8 pip stop loss, guys, right? Now, mind you, an 8 pip stop loss with the right risk to reward ratio, even if you wanted to take it down to here, even if you wanted to take it down to here, right to this level right here for a quick 45 pips. You see what I'm saying? For a quick 45 pips, you only risk 8 pips to get 45 pips, guys. So look at the ratio on that. That's like a 0 to 49, right? Or I mean, you know, a 0 to 4, 0 to 5, right? Risk to reward ratio, guys. So you got to imagine this and look at this like a business, an entity. You got to be like, okay, boom. Okay, I'd rather take this trade, even if you're gonna take this sale, even if you was to lose, you was only gonna lose 8 pips, depending on your lot size, right? That's how much money that would have been. Okay, so you know, and depending on your lot size for the if you would have won, which you would have won right here at this 84,000 level, because it could have been a reversal level, which you would have won. And like I said, that's when you look at the, you know, the candles. So you could have put your stop above here and let it ride out, right? Or you could put your stop above here, and you could have been a profitable trade. So it wouldn't have mattered regardless, right? It wouldn't have mattered if it came back to hit your stop loss. It would have already been a one trade. You was already in blues, right? So by that being said, that is how you know, trail your stop loss as well, guys. But we looking at the importance of the candles as well. So now we get down to this key level. We could have took our money right here for the 40 pips, or we could have took it down to here. And then I'm gonna tell you why we could have took it down here. And then for how many pips? Let's see. From here to here was 116 pips, guys. From here to here was 116 pips. So by that being said, boom, you know, and this is how you could have took it down to that level, right? Remember, and we could have took it down to the blue. So wait, let me show you why we could have took it down to the blue. All right, so from right here, where was we at, guys? Where was we at? Right here. So we was right here. We already seen this confirmed lower low, lower high, and then we could have took it down here to this blue. That's for 131 pips. Why take it down to this blue? Because structure now. Now we're going back to structure, guys. This is no cap, no bat. So now structure in the market is what would have let us took it down to here. So now I go back to the 4 hour because it's you know, it's too much, it's too noisy on the 15 minute to actually see things like that, to see exhaustion. So reset, we'll go to our exhaustion levels and we'll see why we would have took it from this 84,000 level all the way down to this blue level right here. Because if you look in the past, if we look over to our left, right, we got a hit here, a hit here, a hit here, right? So that's 3 hits in this area right here. It's 3 hits right here, right? At this level, which made this level supported level, right? So we know that this is a support level, right? Price get to here and then turn around. Price get to here and then turn around. So hey, you know, price hold this level, we know, okay, it might turn around, but price got to here, pull back up to our confirmed low, higher low, and what did it do? It failed to make any new highs, right? So it went right here, made a new high, then it came back, failed to make a new high. Boom, entry again, right? So we could have trailed, put our stop loss here. We could have trailed, put our stop loss here and let it ride out, guys. You get what I'm saying? So when we got in from the 84,000, we could have came and took our take profit off. That's why we do first take profit, second take profit, third profit. Took our take profit off, trailed our stop there. You get what I'm saying, huh? And then we could have caught the rest of that move, guys. As you see, it never hit the stop and it kept continuing down. So that is how, you know, that is how we want to pay attention to market structure and structure of the market, right? So now we got the blue lines right here, we got this blue line right here, and we know why we had these lines right here, because we had multiple touches in the past, so therefore problems could be right there. So that's why we would put our exit there. Get what I'm saying? So now, boom, we back, we scaled in, we already know our exit level we got right here, boom, trade successful, right? We won this trade, you know. The more seasoned you get, the more you will be able to hold trades longer and to be able to, so from here down to here with a stop right above the 200, 8 pip stop loss, you made 130 some pips, guys. You get what I'm saying? So and then if you would have continued, trying to take it to this blue level right here, you could have exited out manually, but you would have got 208 pips, guys, just off structure of the market and the closing of candles. So when you would have got to this level right here, and you would have been like, okay, you would have got to this level right here, right? And then you would have seen this harami right here, right? Because you would have seen this harami and you would have seen price close at this support level. So that would have been pushing price up, right? Now, we never want to trade against the trend at the end of the day. And since we got this line right here, because we went into the 4 hour and we seen that this line that's right here on the 4 hour, you see price is still closing below it. Price closed below it. Price closed below it. Price closed below it. So that's the continuation to the downside. That's how important price is on resistance areas and supported areas that can become resistance, right? So now, boom, we got another confirmed low right here. So now we got this next confirmed low, higher low, right? And then we got price try to pull back up to this support area, try to pull back up to the support area again, failed to create a higher high and create and failed to get back to that lower high, right? What do we do? Price stayed under this. Price came right here, made a Haramni, closed and made this red hammer, bearish hammer, closed underneath the supported area and underneath this resistance area. And what did price do? Scale and continue to go down, push down to the downside. So when I say, okay, structure is important and the closing of price is very important, then you guys need to listen and understand that and need to go back through there and then and look at these candles and look at these candle patterns and understand what they're telling you guys, the story that that is telling you. Man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna try to wrap it up, man. Like I said, I want to keep these videos short so that you guys will be able to watch them fully all the way through, so that you guys can get a better understanding on your trading for next week, guys. So you already know, man. Y'all better stay tuned, man, for Sunday, because on Sunday I'm dropping a pre-market analysis, man. And I know these analysis be going crazy because I predicted this on odd USD, and this is the same thing that happened on all JPY. So I'm on all JPY right now, and this all JPY, and I told you yesterday about odd USD. So guys, I'm giving you correlations. I'm giving you all this knowledge, right? Man, hit the description below, man. I wouldn't steer you wrong. I don't want you to be in the wrong. I do want to give you a better understanding and to be able to take you all the way down up and through there so that you guys can real life understand. So you already know what you can do. Get my mentorship, $99 right now for a lifetime. Hurry up, because prices will go up very, 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 very soon, guys. And then, like I said, man, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. That's all I ask for. I'm gonna keep dropping the knowledge, keep dropping these bangers, so y'all know where to meet up at. Y'all know where to be at, because yeah, go ahead. All right, let me get them flowers, man. Go ahead, man. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys, man, important of structure, man. So structure, lower lows, lower highs, higher lows, higher lower highs, however you want to do it. Remember, structure, and then remember the importance of closing candles, close under resistance, close above support before you try to take that buy or that sell, guys. And yeah, man, SMSFX, let's get it, gang.